Welcome to Jubilee TV. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up Jubilee TV in your loved one's home. It takes about 30 minutes. Once it's done, you'll have real-time visibility, smart support, and a direct line to your loved one's TV. Start by opening your Jubilee TV box and removing the yellow welcome page. It includes your console ID. Go online to activate your membership using your console ID. You can schedule a professional install or continue with self-install. Now let's get your console set up. Inside the box, you'll find the Jubilee TV console with built-in camera, power adapter, voice remote, smart plug, HDMI cable, Y-splitter, IR blasters, and mounting screws. Mount the console on top of the TV or place it on a nearby flat surface, aiming it toward where your loved one usually sits. Open the lens cover and adjust the camera angle using the side knob. Once the console is in place, it's time to connect power and source devices. Connect the console to your TV using the HDMI cable. Plug your TV into the smart plug. Then plug the smart plug into one side of the Y-splitter and the console's power cord into the other. Plug the Y-splitter into the wall and turn on the smart plug. It should light up. Now connect at least one source device, like a cable box or streaming player. Disconnect its HDMI cable from the TV and plug it into the back of the Jubilee TV console. You can connect up to 3 source devices. Now that everything's connected, power on the TV and complete the on-screen setup. This includes pairing the remote, connecting to Wi-Fi, and identifying connected devices. Last step, open the app to finish setup and start using Jubilee TV. You'll choose a usage mode based on the remote control and features you plan to use. Don't worry, you can change this anytime. That's it. Setup is done, and your loved one's support system is now just a tap away. To learn more, visit our resources page.